Welcome to our travel tips guide. If you're gearing up for your first international adventure, you're in the right place. Today, we'll cover everything you need to know to make your journey smooth and enjoyable. Ready? Let's dive in. 1. Do your research. Before you pack your bags, do some research about your destination. Check out local customs, weather, and any travel advisories. Knowing what to expect will help you avoid any surprises. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language. It can go a long way in showing respect and making connections. 2. Documents and essentials. Make sure you have all necessary documents. This includes your passport, visa, if required, and travel insurance. Photocopy your important documents and store them separately from the originals. It's also wise to have digital copies saved in your email or a cloud service. 3. Money matters. Notify your bank about your travel plans to avoid your credit or debit cards being flagged for suspicious activity. Carry a mix of payment methods: cash, credit, debit cards, and maybe a travel money card. Always have some local currency on hand for small purchases. 4. Pack smart. Pack light and smart. Choose versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched. Don't forget essentials like a power adapter, a reusable water bottle, and any medications you need. Consider a carry-on with all your must-have items in case your checked luggage is delayed. 5. Health and safety. Check if you need any vaccinations before traveling. Also, familiarize yourself with local healthcare options in case of an emergency. Practice basic health and safety precautions. Stay hydrated, use sunscreen, and be cautious about what you eat and drink. 6. Local customs and etiquette. Respect local customs and traditions. Understanding and adhering to local etiquette shows respect and helps you blend in. Be aware of local tipping practices and cultural norms to avoid any faux pas. 7. Stay connected. Ensure your phone plan covers international roaming or get a local SIM card upon arrival. Wi-Fi is often available, but having your own connection can be handy. 8. Emergency preparedness. Know the emergency numbers for your destination and have the contact details of your country's embassy or consulate handy. Keep a list of important contacts, including local friends or hosts, in case you need assistance. 9. Enjoy the journey. Lastly, relax and enjoy your trip. Embrace new experiences and be open to discovering new cultures. Remember, a positive attitude and a bit of preparation will make your international travel experience unforgettable. Thanks for tuning into our travel tips guide. Safe travels and happy adventures.